people, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you all the benefits that I got when I was skipping a rope and the advantages that one can also get when you do the same. For those who are new, welcome to my channel. For those who are not, welcome back. And if you've not subscribed, please kindly, there's a red button there written subscribe. Kindly subscribe to my channel so that you can, and you can also click on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever a new video comes by. And today I'm so happy I came with a new rope, a skipping rope, and I'll be using it today. This rope I got it from a friend of mine. He has been watching my videos. He has been encouraging me to keep on doing whatever I do. His name is Robert. Robert, wherever you are, thank you so much for this gift, and I'm going to use it for my benefit. And I know somebody else might also be struggling like me. Maybe you are watching me wherever you are. You can start by doing simple things like skipping rope, and it's so beneficial. And today's video is all about the benefits that one gets when you jump the rope. So I'll be taking you through. Don't go away. Keep on watching to the last bit. And thank you so much once again for tuning in. And these are the benefits that you get when you practice rope jumping or skipping. First of all, rope jumping is a fully body workout, so it burns many of the calories in short time. For an average person, you might burn up to 10 calories within a minute. So the first benefit that you get when you skip is that you burn a lot of calories. And then the other one is your cardiovascular fitness. So your heart's ability to pump and supply blood to all parts of the body will really improve. This is because the vessels will not narrow because of the fats in the vessels. Yeah. And the third thing is that it strengthens your bone and improves the bone's density. This is because it goes by the principle of the muscle, whereby it says you either use it or lose it. So when we continuously involve our body in jumping, it helps the muscles to gain its strength and improve its density. Another thing which is also very important is weight loss. When you continuously skip a rope or you jump, it is a way of reducing your weight and keeping you fit. Another thing also, the advantage that you get, beside the rope being very cheap to buy or to get one, it is also good and it is not age restricting. Anybody can jump the rope, so everybody, it doesn't restrict any age. The old, the young can also jump the rope. And then it also strengthens one's leg. When you continuously jump, your brain will be involved, that you know that whatever you're supposed to do, and that one will make your legs to be strong. You'll be more active. Like me, I've been active ever since I started jumping this rope, and I'm not quitting. I'm not planning to quit any soon. I'll keep on doing this for as long as I'm able, because I know the benefits that I have really added to my body through the skipping of the rope. Yeah, so anyone out there who is struggling like me, please embrace this simple exercise. It's so easy and it's simple, and the results are very prominent. You can see the results. Yeah, like I said, when I was really a plus, but I thank God I've really improved. And rope jumping, I will keep on jumping. Yes, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. Kindly subscribe down below. Yeah. This is what I normally do. Although I break at some point, I am not jumping continuously. I break at some point, but it is just towards my line of becoming more pro. Yeah, so don't ever lose hope. Just keep on jumping, keep on. Let's lose this weight, let's burn the calories, let's burn the body fats, let's keep healthy, and let's keep on strong, because nobody wants to be a burden to themselves because of their body. We should learn to manage our body weight and size every day and every time. Yeah, so this is how I jump. Yeah, I keep on jumping and jumping. This is what I do almost daily. Yes. So much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe down below and to leave a comment, share, like. Tell me whatever you think I should do, what I should improve. Yeah, thank you so much. Keep safe, stay healthy, and bye bye. God bless you.